Did you know that Vietnam's Ha Long Bay is often called Heaven on Earth? Its 1,600 limestone islands were formed over 500 million years ago. The name Ha Long means descending dragon, rooted in myths of dragons defending the region by spitting out jewels, which turned into the islands we see today. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of natural beauty, with caves, hidden lagoons, and floating fishing villages. It's also home to unique wildlife, such as the rare cat bar langur. Whether you're sailing through its serene waters or discovering its rich history, Ha Long Bay is a destination where nature and legend come alive. Want more mind-blowing facts about the world's best attractions? Subscribe to our channel now.